So what was life like before Zero to App? Well, I was running a ranch up in Idaho and working at a previous job, and I was making a transition of careers, and I thought I would give Zero to App a try. I was actually going into machine learning and like data scientist kind of positions, and I came across Zero to App and went ahead and I went through the process. As far as the process goes, I had scheduled a meeting with Justin and then also with Human just to make sure it would be a good fit and answer my questions about the program. And then after signing on, I have since made my own app and am tweaking on it each day. It's pretty much work maybe a couple hours each day on it. And then I also still run the ranch as well, and so it's great. Would I recommend the program? Yes, and there's three things specifically that I think are great with the program. One is the conference calls. It happens weekly. You can come with your questions or problems that you're having with your app, and then you can get feedback not only just from Human but from the rest of the community. Get their support and their feedback and their ideas, and it's great. The next is the community. It's like-minded people trying to do the same thing. It's great to not be alone in trying to figure things out. And the last thing that's really helped me with in Zero to App is the mindset. I came up from a mindset of an engineer. I have an engineering background. And so I wanted to try to problem solve and go down to the nitty-gritty details of it when really I needed to be a business owner and concentrate on some of the bigger picture things. That's really been helpful with the program for me. For someone who's considering getting into the program, I'd say go ahead and take the plunge. You could go ahead and take forever going through YouTube videos. Maybe some teenager might know what he's talking about, or you could get the information all set up for you, and also the community, and be able to ask questions. Human has had years of experience here and has been able to give us tips that have, he said, even saved him millions of dollars at times. And so if you want to try to go around YouTube for forever and online forums, that's fine. But if you want to get a fast track to getting your app out as soon as possible, this would be the program for you. And to describe Human, he has a lot of experience, and he can be able to recognize when something is a big problem or a small problem, and he'll get through it quicker. That was something that I, as well as others, have had problems with, and getting through those faster is great. And I also appreciate that the way that he does it is very professional and with patience. It's not like one of those cooking shows where they are trying to cut you out and yelling and swearing at you the whole time. No, it's a really nice community, really fun. I would suggest you join.